The president of DRC, Felix Tshisekedi, has taken the helm of the Southern African Development Community, also known as SADC, during the 42nd Ordinary Summit of the Heads of States and Government of this organization, which is being held in Kinshasa from August 17 and 18th. He succeeds Lazarus McCarthy Chakwera, who is the president of the Republic of Malawi.
There is no one outside Africa who is coming to build Africa the way we want it to be built. Not the Americans, not the Europeans, not the Asians. They must give us a road here, or they may give us a road here and there, a stadium here or two, a few $1 million that are nothing more than pocket change to them, and that are nothing compared to the amounts they give each other as Westerners or Easterners.
The outgoing president of SADC, Chakwera, further called on African countries to seek independence from other foreign countries, especially those who fund their development agendas.
The plunder that we have allowed the West to conduct here in the DRC is a sin that we must repent of, resolve and refuse to see repeated anywhere else in our region.
Kinshasa Summit is hosting a dozen of SADC heads of states and will reveal progress in regional integration in line with SADC aspiration, which envisions an industrialized, peaceful, inclusive, competitive, middle to high income region where all citizens enjoy sustainable economic well-being. I will be active in implementing programs to develop infrastructure and services in the region that are directly linked to our main strategies to stimulate economic integration and eradicate poverty in the SADC region. The question of the Rwandan presence on Congolese soil will also be raised, knowing that it is Angola, who is also a member of SADC, which is leading part of the negotiations between Kinshasa and Kigali. Tshisekedi is also the current president of the Economic Community of the Central African States.